All right, here's the deal. We can be YouTube pals, and you can pop in and out and learn more about fascia and how it may be impacting how you feel in your body. That's totally cool. Since the fascial system is the environment of every single cell in your body, it's a fact that fascia is influencing how you move and how you feel in your skin, whether you know what fascia is or not. So learning about it definitely has value. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rini, and around here, it's all about fascia and feeling better in your body. Because when you're not so bound up, the world is a little easier to take. Your mind is open and you're more receptive to receive. When it comes to fascia, mainstream science is finally catching up. So you may be hearing more about it in yoga classes, fitness communities, wellness outlets, or in magazine articles. But no matter how you begin to get exposed to the world of fascia, myofascial release, or myofascial self-care, one thing for certain holds true. You have to feel it. Feeling the effects of fascia is essential. Fascia makes sense when you feel it and when you experience it. And even if your brain doesn't fully get it or even really care to get it, when you feel it, you go, oh. And so while the intellectual understanding is super valuable, the experiential insight you gain from actually doing the techniques that you find on this channel is gold. Doing is where the magic of fascia meets the misery of pain and tension. When you begin to feel the effects of fascia in a therapeutic way, your body and your understanding begin to change. And I tell you this because I want you to feel the effects of fascia. Like I've said, we can do this standard YouTube thing where you may be more apt to watch or listen, but I highly suggest you take it a few steps further and you feel it. So to get the most from this channel, be sure to watch the tools video to see what we use around here so you're able to participate. And then scroll through the playlist where we get down on the mat and you can play along. It will make you feel good. Tools, mat, I'll see you there.